Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve this problem to produce a book. First we have the typing cost. Okay, the typing cost is $2 for per page, means every page is $2. Okay, this means every page and there is also another cost called the printing cost, which is $X for every 50 copies of the book. So find the total cost of producing these 250 copies of the books. And the book has Y pages. Okay, 250 will be for the printing costs. Alright, so let's get to work. And so, for the typing cost, okay, so for the typing cost, it's $2 per page. That means one page is $2. And if we have Y pages, how? Yep, if we multiply by Y, then here also multiply by Y, I will have $2. Next would then be for our printing costs. So for the printing cost, right, 50 copies, $X, 250 copies, going to multiply by 5. So I also multiply by 5. X times 5 will be 5x. And therefore the final answer, I will have 2y, which is a typing cost, plus the printing cost of 5x. And when we write algebra, you'll be good to do this. That means this whole bracket will be in dollars. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.